Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move archived emails back to your Gmail inbox. This is perfect if you've accidentally archived an important email or realized you need to bring some older messages back into view. Don't worry, it's a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, start by logging into your Gmail account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with different folders. Look for the one labeled All Mail. This folder contains all your emails, regardless of labels. Think of it as a master file for your entire inbox. If you don't see it right away, click on More to expand the menu and reveal additional folders. Now, there are a couple of ways to locate the emails you want to unarchive. The fastest method is using the search bar at the top of the screen. If you remember the subject sender or any keywords from the email, just type it in and Gmail will find it for you instantly. This can save a lot of time compared to scrolling through hundreds of messages. If you prefer a more relaxed approach, you can simply scroll through the All Mail folder until you spot the email you're looking for. Remember, archived emails don't have the inbox label, so that's how you can tell which messages have been archived. But rest assured, they're safely stored and ready to be moved back whenever you need them. Once you've found the email, look for the checkbox next to it. Click it to select your email. If you want to move multiple emails back to your inbox at once, you can check several boxes simultaneously. This makes the process much more efficient, especially if you have a lot of archived messages to retrieve. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a series of icons, and one of them looks like a folder with an arrow pointing upward. This is the Move to Inbox button. Go ahead and click it, and your selected emails will immediately return to your main inbox. And that's it. Your archived emails are now back in your inbox where you can see them easily. This is a simple and flexible way to manage your Gmail, whether you want to tidy your inbox or quickly retrieve something important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tips and tutorials.